Hello, this is Mr. Wishahi. In this tutorial we're going to practice calculating volume. So for volume, one thing you got to remember that volume is actually used for three-dimensional figures. Don't get it confused with area. Area really only measures two dimensions. For example, area I would use for a flat item like a rectangle, a square. But volume, we're going to use it for a three-dimensional figure. Like for this first example, we're going to look at a rectangular prism. So let's look at this first shape. Well, I've got a rectangular prism made up of a bunch of small cubes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at how many cubes are going to make up my base. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 cubes going across. Now, if you look, you got 2 cubes going back. And then going up and down, which is the height of your shape, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You've got 7 cubes going up. So instead of trying to count every cube individually, I'm going to go ahead and multiply my 3 values. Because for the formula for volume is base times height. The area of the base times the height. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply my 3 values. So go and enter them into your calculator. 4 times 2 times 7. And that's going to get us 56. That means this prism is made up of 56 cubic units. So units cubed. So remember, when you're writing volume, it's always going to be to the 3rd power. Okay, let's give another one a shot. Let's look at this rectangular prism here. So luckily we don't have to count any cubes. The measurements are given to us right there. So I've got my base down at the bottom, the flat rectangle that it sits on. I'm going to highlight that yellow. And then my height going upwards, that's going to be my H. That's going to be in orange. So first let's look at the area of our base. That's going to be 11 times 8. And then we're going to multiply it times our height going upwards. Alright, let's go to our calculator. 11 times 8 times 4. And that gave us 352. So this shape is 352 inches cubed. Okay, so remember, volume is always to the cubic unit because you have 3 dimensions. 1, 2, 3. Alright, go ahead and give it a shot.